Okay, just making a little beanbag board today, a little project to for summertime. So, quickly, 3/8 inch plywood. You could use 1/2 inch, I'm sure, but in my case, 3/8. So, 2 feet across. 48 inches long. 6-inch hole, 6 inches from the end. Centered on the board, of course, so that would be 12 inches. So 6 inches to the end, of course, 12 inches to the bottom of the hole. Drill some starter holes, take a jigsaw, router it out. It's thin enough plywood, you don't have to worry about jigsaw blade wobble. That covers that. You got 1x4 edging all the way around. 2 foot 1x4 on the ends, so they're complete. The 1x4 is on the long edge, 48 inches less 2 times 3/4 or less than 1.5 inches. So these guys are 46.5. These guys are 24. They go all the way across. Screwed on the ends, glued, and little brads. Okay? 2 legs to support. They are in 5 inches from the end completely. Okay? Centered on a 20-inch board. In my case, I'm going to use 1/4 inch, 2-inch long bolts. Centered on the end, so 1 3/4 in, 1 3/4 on either side. You probably should use 3/8 bolts. I'm using 1/4 inch, so that should be fine though. Round the edges over. This cut here from the very tip to here at 55 degrees. You can see here. Pivot on the very end. There's your square at 55. Draw the line, trim them off. And what I'll do is I'll assemble all this and show you what the end result is. Now this doesn't look very clear, but there you go. The basics to start. Okay, beanbag stand. Nice simple project. So just quickly to recap. Plywood 2 feet by 4 feet. Hole 6 inches off the end. Centered between the 24 inches, so 12 inches on center, 6-inch hole. End pieces cut at 55 degrees, 20 inches long. That bolt, 1/4 inch bolt, 2-inch bolt, 5 inches from the end, centered between the 1x4. Total cost, so you got a 1/4 sheet of 3/8 or 1/4 inch ply, whatever that is in this neck of the woods, about quarter of $70. So 2 of them would be, of course, half of that. 1x4, 8 foot long, roughly $5 each. This whole project takes exactly 2 boards. So you got 4, 4, 2 and 2. So 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 feet. The extra, you need 2 boards and just a little bit. This turns out to be, well, 24 inches less. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, so less 3 inches, 21 inches on the cross support. You need that little 21-inch board is more than the 2 8-foot 1x4s. Okay, nice and simple. Just brad nails all around on the edge on the top, and screws on the ends. I put in 3. You could probably get away with 2 quite easily. Nice and simple. Pop one of these off in an afternoon. There you go. Thanks a lot for watching.